is ringing. Someone needs help. The phone is ringing. Someone needs help. Oh no! My student was taken away by a bad guy. Wait for me. I'll be right there. Unable to download. Please ask Let's Go Patrol first. You have to put the car in gear before it can start moving. Calm down, Miss Bear. What's the issue here?
The parking lot is so disorganized. I can't drive my car out.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. Woohoo! All the cars were driven out! Which path do you want to take? Time to equip the magical item! Can you help me catch the thief? No problem. Leave it to me. Go, go, go! Ah, you found my purse! Thank you so much! You're welcome! It's my duty! Officer Kiki, mission accomplished!
Stop at a red light, go at a green light. I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
Quo, what happened? I got separated from my dad in the park. Quo, don't worry. Let's find your dad together. You found Quo's dad! You're awesome! Oh no! A bad guy just hid in the supermarket. Can you help me find the criminal? Do you know what the bad guy looks like? He was wearing a